some other social media tools that can be used to collect information. There are many social media tools that are open source, which means that they are freely available to be used. Also, these tools readily provide plenty of information at our disposal. They make gathering information via a various social media accounts perfectly viable. And the social media tools are groups.google.com, user recon, social searcher, and map.snapchat.com. Let's have demonstration of each of them one by one. Here is the example of Google Groups. We visit the website called groups.google.com and I have already logged in. Now I'll search for iPhone. As you can see, there are almost 5173 groups matching the query iPhone. If I open the groups, you will find here are the groups that has iPhone mentioned in it. You can go and see the conversations as well. You can go to the more conversations and see all the conversation to gather more information about a particular product. Let us have a look at a tool called as user recon. We visit the web page github.com and search for user recon. I'll just copy that link and clone the repository with git clone. Once you have completed, go to that directory user recon. Here I will list the files, and as you can see the file is not executable. Let's make it executable. Once we are done with that, we'll clear the screen and execute userrecon.sh file. Let's input the username. I'll mention it here as Rahul Jamgade. As you can see, it started checking username Rahul Jamgade on various websites. It found a user on Instagram. Similarly, it found the user on Facebook as well. Next, it found it on Twitter. And as you can see, it has also found a similar user on YouTube. Let's open one of the link. As you can see, it has found a user on YouTube. Similarly, it will go on finding Rahul Jamgade user on various social networking websites. Let's try one more, that is facebook.com. And as you can see, there is a user with similar name, though it's not mine. But we are able to make the point. Let us visit the website socialsearcher.com. Once we visit the web page, we'll go to the mentions section and type hash followed by the term that we are searching for. Here it is Android. As you can see, it has found plenty of Facebook accounts where the mention of the word Android can be seen. Similarly, on Twitter also you will find mention of the words Android. Here is another platform called as VK for Russian social networking website. Let's try to find user Will Smith. As you can see, there are plenty of LinkedIn accounts where the user is Will Smith. V is for Vimeo, and similarly there are plenty of other platforms where you can find similar usernames. Finally, let's search for the trends. I'll mention here Ford. And as again can be seen, here is a Reddit account There are a couple of Twitter accounts where there is a mention of word Ford. Here is the demo of map.snapchat.com. I visit the website and browse the map. As you can see, I can find multiple videos over here. If I click a particular link on the heat map, you can find the videos that has been uploaded on the Snapchat. You can browse the entire site and visit each and every heat map and see the videos that are uploaded over there.